We're a family-run business, built on nearly 100 years of serious cleaning know-how. Over that time, things may have changed, but our values have stayed the same. We're still a family that pulls together to make traditional and innovative cleaning supplies. By combining unrivaled product knowledge and understanding with state-of-the-art warehousing and logistics, all from the heart of Lancashire. But it's not just about making products. It's knowing we're there to help keep our children safe, make sure hospitals stay clean, and put a spring in everyone's step. We're there when deals are made and careers take off, when people celebrate or commiserate, when germs aren't welcome, and nothing less than spotless will do. We're there every day, working together, helping make Britain and beyond shine that little bit brighter. We're Robert Scott, and we are serious about cleaning know-how.